Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a screen reader extension in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those dots to open the main menu. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will reveal a submenu with several extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you directly to Google's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various Chrome extensions. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Screen Reader. This will help you find extensions specifically designed to read text aloud from web pages, making content more accessible. After searching, you'll see a list of screen reader extensions available for Chrome. Browse through the results and click on the screen reader extension that best fits your needs. This will open the extension's dedicated page where you can read more details about its features and reviews from other users. On the extensions page, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now download and install automatically, which should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, look at the top right corner of your browser again. You'll see a puzzle piece icon which represents your extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, find and click on the screen reader extension you just installed. This will open the extension's control panel. Inside the control panel, you'll see a toggle button at the top. You can click this toggle to turn the screen reader on or off whenever you need it. This gives you quick control over when the extension is active. Below the toggle, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Spoken Voice. Click on this drop-down to see a list of available voice options. Each voice has its own unique characteristics, so you can choose one that sounds most natural and comfortable to you. Further down, you'll notice 3 important settings: voice rate, voice pitch, and volume. Each of these settings has its own slider that you can adjust. The voice rate controls how fast or slow the text is read. The voice pitch adjusts how high or low the voice sounds. And the volume slider lets you control how loud the reading will be. Simply drag each slider left or right to find your preferred settings. And that's it! You've successfully installed and configured a screen reader extension in Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.